Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here with a very quick demo video just to show you the true power of my new web app that instantly gives you ChatGPT superpowers by writing all of your prompts for you so that you can finally take full advantage of this powerful AI technology without spending hours upon hours learning how to write prompts yourself or buying useless Excel sheets of pre-written prompt packages. All right, because I'll be the first one to tell you that ChatGPT is extremely powerful, but it also has a steep learning curve. All right, because yes, you can come on here and use it to write a cool song or write a cool poem or write a cool story that impresses you or impresses your friends. But what about when you actually need it to write you content that actually puts money in your pocket? What about using it to grow your business, grow your client's business, or get you more traffic, leads, and sales? When you use ChatGPT for that is when things get really complicated, and that's when real skills are needed to harness the true power of ChatGPT. But it should not be that way, right? What's the point of having access to a powerful technology just like ChatGPT if it's going to take you hours upon hours to learn how to use it effectively? You should not have to buy training programs or pre-written prompt packages to be able to use this to its full potential. A tool as powerful as ChatGPT should be easy to use for everyone, and that's exactly what we've done with our app. Okay, and our app is called DFY Prompt, and it's actually the first web app to truly level the playing field for harnessing the power of ChatGPT. And the first thing you're going to notice is that when you open up ChatGPT, this is what you see. There are no tutorials, there is no manual, there is nothing that shows you how to use this to its true potential, because it truly, like I said, is a powerful piece of technology, but you need to know how to use it properly. You need to be able to give it good prompts or good descriptions or good direction of what you want for you to get a good result in return. If you just use it here right out of the gate and you don't really know how to provide it with a good prompt, you're not gonna get good results. All right, and that's why we put together DFY Prompt. So now you have a good solution that makes you an instant ChatGPT expert. And all you gotta do is open this up right here, and you'll notice that we have a ton of the most powerful built-in prompt templates that will give you some great results when using ChatGPT. And you'll be able to use it for anything that you need. We have long form content marketing on here so that you can use it to write content for your websites, your landing pages, your client sites. Any single piece of long form content that you need, you'll be able to use our pre-written prompt templates to write that for you. You'll be able to use it for e-commerce if you have an e-commerce store yourself, or you're working with a client that has an e-commerce store. If you're doing anything with email marketing, whether it's cold email or warm email marketing, we have templates built in for both. If you're doing SEO and you're doing SEO for your clients or for yourself, you'll be able to use our platform to write great SEO content for your websites or your clients' websites. If you're doing video marketing, you'll be able to use our platform for video marketing as well. So let me go ahead and filter with our email options so that you can see exactly how you can use our platform to write any kind of email content that you need for any sort of business. So let's go ahead and open up the cold email option so that you can see just how powerful this is. Now, what you're going to notice as well is that these are pre-written prompt templates. All right, they're not exact templates, which is very powerful for you because you'll be able to use this over and over and over again for a different product, a different service, and a different audience. So although we have a limited number of templates built into here, you'll be able to use each one for an unlimited number of clients, products, services, and audiences as well. So there is no limit during this special launch opening on the amount of content that you can generate using DFY Prompt alongside ChatGPT. All right, so that is the true power of this, is that you'll be able to use this over and over and over again for any client, any product, any service, any audience, and just continue getting good quality content with our pre-written prompt templates. All right, so let's go ahead and do something like what's there, my lead generation agency, and we'll do real estate agents in Miami. Okay, we'll click OK, and now that that prompt has been sent to ChatGPT so that it can go ahead and write great quality content for me, because now you're able to provide it with a good quality prompt instead of having to figure it out yourself. So we'll go ahead and let this finish, and then we'll read some of it once it's done. And there you go. Within a matter of seconds, ChatGPT took our pre-written prompt template and the information that we supplied it with, and it wrote this perfectly written cold email outreach that you can use to start promoting your agency to local real estate agents in the Miami area. And you'll be able to read some of this to see that it's truly a high quality email that you can start using. So it opens up with, "Dear first name, I hope this email finds you well. I came across your real estate business in Miami and was impressed with your online presence and success. As a specialist in lead generation, I wanted to share a new opportunity that can help you increase your sales and grow your business." So there you can see, not only does it write it in the background, but it also brings it here so that you can copy it to your clipboard and bring it over to your autoresponder or whatever tool you use for cold email to start using that right away. And we have pretty much just about every sort of template built into here that you can use to start getting good quality content by ChatGPT. There is no need for you to start buying there is no need for you to buy training programs or buy any more Excel sheets of pre-written templates anymore, because you have all of that done for you inside of Done For You Prompt. Now you can see here there's cold email with follow-ups, email subject lines, internet marketing promo emails, internet marketing promo email with follow-ups, limited time discount emails, so some scarcity emails, a new subscriber email, so if you need some copy to welcome a new subscriber to your list, niche news and trends newsletters, so if you want to provide your list with some value and some updated news, you can use it as well. You can write an email that encourages users to leave a review or feedback for a product or service. So if you're working with clients, this is perfect. All right, and again, you can use this for anything. We have SEO, so you can have it write an engaging Google business profile for a company. And all you gotta do is open it, and you'll see that you can write the business and the description of the business. And again, you can do this over and over and over again for all of your clients. Although there's one template, there's an unlimited number of uses that you'll be able to do it for as many clients as you have, okay? SEO, image, alt tags, and captions, keyword ideas, landing page copy, which is specifically for SEO, local landing page copy, page title and meta descriptions. Let's go ahead and show you the video, tutorial video script, video ideas, and a video script for a generic explainer video. And if I just open that, you'll see that all you have to do is provide it with a simple subject, and Done For You Prompt does the rest. All right, let's go ahead and do the miscellaneous one as well. It'll be able to translate your copy into different languages. Let's do the e-commerce one. All right, it'll do a store product description in IDA copy format, a store description with a generic copy, the PASS system, store product keywords. All right, and then we have content marketing as well. That'll be able to write facts and stats, headline variations, listicle posts from topic, and a host of other different options as well. Okay, you can have it write a step-by-step guide. And again, if you had to sit here and learn how to write each and every one of these prompts, it will take you a long time, okay? Because there is nothing that is out there for ChatGPT that teaches you how to actually write good prompts. That is not going to take you hours and hours and hours for you to learn. All right, with Done For You Prompt, that happens instantly. We're doing it for you, and all you have to do is fill out 1 or 2 or 3 simple boxes, providing our platform with pretty much finishing the prompt for you, and then we will take it from there. So very, very powerful Done For You Prompt. Make sure you take advantage of this right now, because we are running a very special deal during this special week that will give you that will provide you with a ton of value during this grand opening. So don't miss out. Stop buying ChatGPT training programs. Stop buying Excel pre-written prompts, and start using Done For You Prompt to do it all for you.